Hi everyone, welcome to Varuna Garden. I'm Vandana, and in today's episode you can guess what we're doing. This is composting. I'm going to be using only the waste from the daily puja. So lots of flowers, leaves and just that. Then I'm going to harvest a couple of earthworms found in this big bin and add a couple to this bin. First layer is going to be garden soil. Next layer that I've added is cocoa peat. This is compressed cocoa peat. Water. Next layer is wet waste from the puja, daily offerings. Lots of flowers, leaves, some tissue paper. You can see there's also fungus that has developed. That's okay. Next layer is some compost. There are a couple of earthworms in this too. I think I've harvested enough earthworms. Next layer I'm going to add a little bit of cocoa peat. Next I'm going to sprinkle some spoiled milk for the bacteria. I'll again top this up with a little bit of garden soil. So this will also act as the base for the next level as well as keep the earthworms happy. I don't have any holes in this and I'm going to keep it that way. There's enough air circulation. It's not like a vacuum. There's a little bit of crack here. So it's okay if there are going to be some flies that are going to go in and lay some eggs. It's okay. It's all part of the composting ecosystem. So we will see how long it takes, and this is going to be just with earthworms, and hopefully I get good vermicompost shortly. Alright, it's time to open this up. Today is January 29th, 2022, and let's have a look at how this has been. So I have just been churning the top layer a little bit every now and then, and I'm really curious to see how this looks. There are lots and lots of earthworms. I collected tons of them and just put it in this bin. So this has become like my worm bin. I'm going to empty the compost into this bucket. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh my god. Look at this. This bit of compost I have left in this cell. It has a couple of earthworms too. Let's take a look at those. Lots of young ones too. You feed them good food, they will multiply like crazy. Now let's take a closer look at this compost. There's more earthworms than compost in this. I have to probably use a sheet to empty it on the ground and slowly take the top layer. I'll also have to wear gloves because I'm too scared to touch it as is. But yeah, this is pure vermicompost, everyone. I have got this in pretty short time. Within 2 months I have got. And this is, by the way, Varuna Garden's divine compost, and it's going to be used for divine plants. Well, that was it, everyone. I hope you're all left inspired, which was the main goal of doing this, as well as experimenting with trying a fast track method. Thank you for watching my video, everyone. I will see you in another video. Until then, happy vermicomposting and happy gardening. Bye.